Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. I'm happy to have you here. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to edit a PDF in Docusign. Follow through the process to learn it in these simple, easy steps. The first thing you want to do is head over to your preferred browser and type in docusign.com, and it will take you to this page. And on this page, you can decide to either sign in or log in to your Docusign account. Now, if you've successfully signed up, it will take you to the part where you have to log in. And when you log in, it will take you to this home page, which is your Docusign home page. Now, this is what your dashboard looks like. Welcome to your Docusign platform where you can sign your documents electronically instead of using any printing forms, scanning, or mailing paper. It helps you upload your documents, send it to people, and then sign it online where both parties can see it. It's a beautiful digital platform that has been created for you. So now, to learn how to edit a PDF in Docusign, the first thing you want to do is click on the start button over here, or you pick a particular template that you want to work with. For the purpose of this video, to make the process seamless, I'll just pick this particular template over here and give it a few minutes to upload. After uploading my document, you would see that I have a list of fields to fill up. So what I will do is head over to the fields and fill up the information needed. All right, I can decide to add recipient and fill up all the information needed. And then, having done that, I would head over to the next button over here by the corner at the bottom. Click on it, and it will take me to the next page where I would show you how to edit your PDF. Now, having come to this page, you see that there are a list of options at the right and at the left, but what we'll focus on is the actions button at the top over here where my cursor is. We'll click on that, and you can see we have the option to edit documents. Click on edit documents, and you have your documents over here where you can decide to view and then preview your document to see if you need anything you want to alter or change. And then, having done that, you'll just click on done. And so this is a very short and simple way you can edit your PDF documents in Docusign. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope these steps and processes were seamless for you, and now you know how to edit your PDF and how to work with your documents electronically in Docusign. Until next time, bye for now.